A serious buyer. 40 units. Pricing that needs a conversation. That order doesn't fit a buy button, and with QuotWay, it doesn't have to. Instead, there's Add to Quote on the product page, the cart, even collection pages. Buyers set quantities, name an offer price, drop a note, attach a spec sheet, and send. About a minute. No new account. When your proposal is ready, they get a link. A 6-digit code opens their secure portal, branded as your store. No passwords. Everything's on one page. Line prices, totals, documents, an expiry date, and 4 clear moves. Accept, some, counter, or decline. Not ready to say yes. They counter, new price, new quantity, line by line, and you answer with a fresh version. Nothing gets lost in an inbox. When it's right, they accept everything or just the lines they're sure about and keep the rest in play. Accepted lines flow into a Shopify draft order. Send the invoice, and they check out at the negotiated price. Between rounds, every quote lives in their Shopify customer account, statuses, messages, and what needs their attention. A buyer who can ask, counter, and accept in minutes buys more and comes back. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Start free on the App Store.